In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a domain on Payhip. This process will seamlessly integrate your domain name with your Payhip store, giving you a more professional-looking online presence. Let's dive right into it and walk through the entire process, step by step. First, we need to access the domain settings in Payhip. Begin by logging into your Payhip account. Once you've logged in, look towards the top of the screen for the menu bar and click on Store. From there, you'll want to navigate to the Domains tab. This is where you'll manage all things related to your domain connections. To start the process, click on Connect Existing Domain. This will allow you to connect a domain that you've already purchased to your Payhip store. Next, you'll need to decide what kind of domain you want to connect. You have two options here. The first is to connect a root domain, which is a domain without any prefixes. For example, this would be something like yourdomain.com. To set this up, you'll need to edit your DNS settings so that your root domain points to Payhip. Specifically, set the A record to the IP address 45.154.183.183. Additionally, you will also need to set a CNAME record for www to point to domains.payhip.com. Alternatively, you might opt to connect a subdomain. A subdomain is a prefix added to your domain, like shop, yourdomain.com. If this is your choice, you'll again dive into your DNS settings and create a CNAME record for your chosen subdomain to domains.payhip.com. For example, if you chose shop, you would ensure that shop.yourdomain.com points to domains.payhip.com. For those of you using popular domain providers like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains, don't worry. Payhip has you covered with detailed instructions in their help center specific to these services. That way, no matter what provider you're using to host your domain, you'll have guidance tailored to your needs. Once you've added and saved these DNS settings, the next crucial step is to verify the domain connection. Head back to the Payhip Domains page. Here, you will need to enter your domain, such as shop.yourdomain.com. Then, click Verify Connection. Keep in mind, changes in DNS settings might not be instantaneous. It can take about 24 to 48 hours for these changes to fully propagate across the internet. So, don't be alarmed if your new domain isn't working right away. Patience is key. And there you have it. With this setup, you've now connected your domain to your Payhip store, giving it a sleek, professional appearance. Remember, if you run into any hiccups or have specific questions, Payhip's Help Center is a fantastic resource to tap into. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next video.